Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today we do have another quick little unboxing from BombNailz. They did go ahead and let me choose a pack of gel polishes along with them sending this metal painting gel. So I do want to give a big shout out to BombNailz for sponsoring today's video. I am always so happy to do some unboxings for them and just show you guys their amazing products. So here I'm just showing you the metal painting gel. I was showing you the ingredients on the bottom, and then here I am going to be just cutting off just a tiny piece of the like foil type of thing on top. And as you can tell by the name, it is just like a chrome painting gel. So I was really excited for that because I was running low on my other one, and I am so excited to be using this one. So I did not swatch it or use it on today's video or in today's video. I will be saving that for a future video coming up very soon. But getting into the gel polishes, this is a 6-pack of gel polishes. Here I'm just showing you the back on what it says on the package, and then I am just quickly pulling out the like little packaging of the gel polishes here. And in the box it also has like the little manual instruction thing here, so if you want to pause it and read it, you can go ahead and do so, but I'm not going to be talking much about that here. I'm just quickly showing you that, and then we will get into the gel polishes. On the little section here of the little pamphlet though, it did go ahead and show how to apply some cat eye gel polishes, because I believe there is like 2 different cat eye gel polishes in this little package here. So quickly I'm going to be taking them out of the little packaging here, and then we will get into showing each color and everything like that. So the name of the collection is called the Fantasy Rose Mix Set. Well, that's what it says, at least on the top portion of like the bottle. But I will go ahead and leave the link down below for this specific collection and everything like that. Everything that I'm showing in the video, I will have the link down below. So one thing I love is how it shows like the little sticker swatch on top of the bottle, so that way you can kind of get an idea of what the gel polish is going to look like. As you can see by the swatch on top of this one, this is going to be one of the cat eye gel polishes. This one here, it almost looks like it's going to be a cat eye just by the like looking at the bottle. But later on you will see that it is not a cat eye gel polish, but it is a very beautiful like sparkly gel polish color. And then here I am showing you that they are all 7 ml bottles, so that way you can still get a decent amount out of them, but they are not the full 15 ml. I'm not sure if you go to their website if they do have these specific colors in 15 ml, but I will have to kind of check that out for you guys. And then again by the swatch here, you can see this is going to be another cat eye gel polish, and they also did send a magnet in the packaging, which I will show later on when we are doing the swatches of those polishes. I was a bit confused at first why there was a magnet until I realized that there are some cat eye gel polishes in this collection. So like based off of the colors I just showed, these are kind of like a semi like jelly nude type of collection along with those cat eye gel polishes. Again, like I said, they did send the magnet so that we can get that effect with those cat eye polishes. So I will be swatching them on my swatch stick for you guys. I am only doing one coat of each polish, so that way you can kind of get an idea of like the sheerness of it, I guess. But if you want it to be more opaque, definitely do another coat or 2 on it, and it will be a perfect like what's the word, like a good opaqueness. And then this one I was a bit confused about it being a cat eye polish because there's like some actual glitter in it. But once you see me do the magnet on it and do the effect, you can see it's actually really cute how it has like the cat eye effect and then the glittery type of specks in it as well. But I will go ahead and just let you guys watch the rest of the swatching play out, and I'll come back in once it's time to finish up the review and get into the actual set. So these are what the swatch sticks are looking like after everything's been swatched. Like I said, I only did one coat on each of the swatch sticks, but you can definitely do another coat or two to get more of an opaqueness. So getting into the set, we will be doing some press-on nails, some very quick, simple ones. For the nail tips, I am using the medium square tips from Unigella. Like I said, I don't know how to pronounce that brand's name, but I am just using my buffer and removing the shine from each of the nail tips here. So since we are using some gel polishes for today's press-on video, I am going to be applying a very thin layer of some base gel, and this is from Brilliant Noir. I do try to remember to leave the links down below for the products I use, but sometimes I forget. But if you are interested in any of the products I use and I don't have a link, just go ahead and comment down below, and I'll be happy to reply to your comment with a link of the product. But after I'm done applying the base coat, I do go ahead and cure for 30 seconds in the nail light. So for today's base gel, I will be using the number 1 color from the collection I just reviewed. It's a very beautiful, like peachy nude type of sheerness gel polish color. So I am applying that to all the nails, but you will see later on that I do apply another type of gel polish on top of 2 of the nails, because I realized I kind of messed up, that I wanted 2 different nails to be a different color, but like I said, you will see that later on. So I will be applying 2 layers to each of the nails. So I am doing 1 thin layer here, curing that for 30 seconds, and then going in with another layer and then curing that one for 60 seconds. So getting into the design, I am taking that cat eye gel polish, which I believe was number 5 from the collection, and I am drawing some cute little pumpkins on the middle nail, kind of like the stacked pumpkin design that's trending. I am just doing that, so I'm just taking my liner brush. I believe this is my 18mm liner brush from KAIROSE Nail Supply, and just outlining the pumpkin, and then I am infilling that. But before curing that, I do take my magnet to kind of give it that cat eye effect, and then after I get that effect, I do cure for 30 seconds in the nail light. So while that first pumpkin is curing, I am taking the number 3 gel polish color from the same collection and applying that on the pinky nail and the thumbnail. Like I said, I wanted 2 of the nails to be different from the rest of them, and so I did go ahead and apply a very thin layer of this on top of that nude base, and I wish I didn't have the nude base down just so I could see exactly how nice it would have looked by itself, but it still came out very beautiful. But after I'm done applying it to this nail, I do go ahead and cure those 2 in the nail light for 30 seconds. So getting back to the pumpkin, I am drawing 1 more pumpkin on top of the previous one, and I kind of wish I did like a different color just because it's going to look super funny with both the colors being the same and everything like that. So that's one thing I do recommend. If you're doing the stacked pumpkins, try to do like different colors, otherwise it's going to be hard to kind of distinguish between them when you go in and do the outlining. But I'm just doing the same exact process as that first one. I'm just outlining where I want the pumpkin to be, infilling that, taking the magnet to kind of create that cat eye effect, and then curing that for 30 seconds. Now on the index nail and the ring nail, I'm just going to be doing some French tips using that same cat eye gel polish. So I am doing the A method and kind of creating the lines where they go from the cuticle area towards the center of the free edge area, and then I am curving them in here to kind of create that smile line. And then after I have that all perfected, I will go ahead and start infilling the rest of the area, doing the cat eye effect with that magnet, and then again curing that for 30 seconds. Now here I'm just taking Classic White from KAIROSE Nail Supply, and I'm going to be using that to outline the pumpkins. I could have used black, but I feel like white would have just added like a nice touch to the set, and I feel like it did, just because like the other tones are like more of like a neutral type. I feel like the white would have just been the perfect like addition to it, I guess. So here I'm just kind of outlining the pumpkins where I drew them and just creating those little lines, and then again I am doing that on top of the other pumpkin, and then I do also kind of create the stem and like the little vine twirly looking thing, and then again I will be carrying that for 30 seconds. So just to give the set a little bit more detail, I am doing some 4-pointed stars on the 2 nails with the French tips, and then I am adding just some tiny ones around the little pumpkins we did on the middle nail. So to do the 4-pointed stars, I am just using my dotting tool and creating a dot, and then I am kind of doing like a cross motion across those dots to give it that nice star effect, and then again doing the same exact thing to the ring nail, and then you will see me doing that on the middle nail as well. So this is what the entire set is looking like once all the design is completely done. So to top coat, I will be using the Born Pretty top coat that I did unbox in one of my past videos. It does have a very nice consistency to it. It's not super thin, but it's also not super thick. It's like perfectly in the middle, and it is a very nice super glossy type of top coat. So if you are interested, go ahead and check out Born Pretty either on Amazon, or I will try to remember to leave the link for the specific top coat down below in the description box. After I'm done applying that to all the nails, I do kind of wipe down the sides using the brush of the like top coat thing, and then after that I do cure that for 60 seconds in the nail light. But that is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!